Hello rail fans, welcome back to the Rusty Boxcar channel. Got 3 trains for you today. This is the first in a series of 4 videos that we filmed back on March 5th. First up, we're going to have a auto rack M203 with 3 CSX locomotives. Next up, we're going to have a manifest train with another 3 CSX locomotives. And then finally, in this one, we're going to have a coal train headed south. It's going to have 4 locomotives, including the CSX Spirit of Law Enforcement. It's going to be trailing second on this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope to see you back soon. Alright, first up we have M203, a load of auto racks headed south from Osborne Yard in Louisville, Kentucky down to Baldwin, Florida. Led up by 3407, which is an ET44AH. It's going to have 2 mid-train DPUs, 3308, an ET44AH, and 5485, an ES40DC. This one's going to be especially long, 604 axles and 13,902 feet. One of the reasons we got so lucky on this day was that the day before there had been some pretty severe storms north and south of Nashville, and a lot of traffic had to be stopped. Tree limbs had fallen into the tracks in various places, and so there was a lot of backed up traffic that had been held up out of the area, and that's one of the reasons we were able to catch 12 trains in such a short amount of time on that Sunday. So we'll be back in just a second to describe the second train we'll see. Alright, up next we've got M575, a manifest train making its way south from Queensgate Yard in Cincinnati, Ohio to Radnor Yard in Nashville, Tennessee. Going to be led up by two locomotives, 733 and 3398, an ES and an ET 44AH. And it'll have a mid-train DPU of 3091, an ES 44AH. This one's going to be a bit shorter, 646 axles, 9,583 feet for you.
CSX detector, milepost 179.0, track main 2, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 646, length 9583. Detector out.
Alright, so this one was the surprise of the day, at least for me. C321, a coal train headed south from Evansville, Indiana to Cross, South Carolina. This one originates at the Sugar Camp Mine in Aiken, Illinois, where it then makes its way via the Evansville Western Railway over to Evansville. It's led up by 799 and ES44AH, got another ES44AH in second, 3194. And a third one, 3141, and then it's going to have a mid-train DPU of 592, a CW44AH. As you saw, that second unit was one of CSX's Pride and Service locomotives, the Spirit of Law Enforcement. I'd been tracking that train via Facebook the day before, and it had stopped just north of Nashville and Goodlettsville, Tennessee, which is probably 8 or so miles north of the cemetery, I would say, maybe less than that in railway miles. And it had stopped because of that severe wind, that heavy thunderstorm that was coming through. Would have never imagined it would stay there all night long, so definitely didn't expect to see it out there on Sunday, but was pretty happy that we did. Not the first time we've caught that locomotive, but it's always neat to see one of the special locomotives that CSX has, as they're so rare. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.